Welcome to Joy Jungle Jr.
A is for albatross, soaring in the sky. B is for bluebird, singing sweet and high. C is for canary, yellow and so bright. D is for duck, quacking in the light. E is for eagle, flying oh so grand. F is for flamingo, pink and in the sand. G is for goose, honking loud and clear. H is for hawk, hunting far and near. I is for ibis, with a beak so long. J is for jay, with a colorful song. K is for kingfisher, diving for its meal. L is for lark, singing with great zeal. M is for magpie, clever and so bright. N is for nightingale, singing in the night. Is for owl, hooting in the dark. P is for parrot, talking with a star. Q is for quail, hiding in the grass. R is for robin, hopping as you pass. S is for sparrow, chirping all day long. T is for toucan, with a beak so strong. U is for umbrella bird, with its fancy crest. V is for vulture, cleaning up the rest. W is for woodpecker, tapping on the tree. X is for Xanthus, hummingbird, tiny as can be. Y is for and full of cheer. Z is for zebra finch, with stripes so dear. Let's sing the bird alphabet from A to Z. Learning all the birds, as fun as can be. Is for woodpecker, tapping on the tree. X is for Xanthus, hummingbird, tiny as can be. Y is for yellow hammer, bright and full of cheer. Z is for zebra finch, with stripes so dear. Let's sing the bird alphabet from A to Z. Learning all the birds, as fun as can be.